What I learned in the high school. I don't learn many things in high school because high school in Brazil is very poor, is very bad. Education in Brazil is very bad. Then in my high school, I don't learn many things. I don't became very good in programming logic, in coding. I don't learn many things. I don't learn the programming, the computer science. I don't learn the mathematics, English. Don't learn almost nothing. Almost nothing, no. Okay, I learned many things in high school. Now I'm working to learn more, but wasn't so meaningful. Wasn't so okay. I learned it changed my life. No, I learned a few things. Was a bad experience. Watch videos in YouTube would be better. I learned almost nothing. But I learned some things. I have some things that I did. I learned what I learned in these 2 years was HTML, CSS, a little bit of Squid, only a little bit. I learned more this year, but only a little bit of Squid. And was it. In other subjects, I don't learn almost nothing. Don't learn the C# that I should learn, the Python, the PHP, only these three. Then I was to make this video to know what I learned. I was searching my documents, in school documents, and what I have that I really did is and I thought that I learned the JavaScript in school, but I see now that I don't learn it. I made websites, responsive websites without the JavaScript, with only Bootstrap that is a kind of JavaScript. Then I don't learn it. I learned it less than I thought. I only learned HTML, CSS, and a little bit of Squid. Yes, what I can do. But I learned, I was searching, I searched all my assignments, and the assignments that I did, that I know what I did, is 2 pages in HTML with is pages in HTML with Bootstrap, with CSS. I did pages in HTML that I know what I did. I remember a little bit. I can say that I did. That okay. Can say that I did. I have help from the teacher, but I can study a little bit and remember what I did. Have the database in Squid that I did, the entire database. Okay, I did it. And only it. I was thinking if I should post it in my LinkedIn, my LinkedIn, no, my GitHub. Yes, in my GitHub because I almost didn't. I almost didn't. I was I yes, I almost didn't. I don't. I'm not an expert in HTML, CSS. I don't know everything that I did. I learned a little bit only. But I think that needed to review. I needed to review. I needed to improve, to correct a few mistakes. Don't make it better. Don't make it more than what I did. You only correct a few mistakes. Make it functional and post. Because it is a history in my high school. Is the thing that I can say, okay, I did. I don't know everything, but I did. I know is one part of my history that I can say that is part. Isn't the same thing in other subjects like C Sharp, Python, PHP, that I don't learn nothing. But this I can say, okay, I learned a little bit. Then I will improve, don't improve, but fix some mistakes, make it functional, make it clean, beautiful to post in my LinkedIn, and have it, make it part of my history in high school that I did. That's okay. I passed through it. I reviewed, I understood better. Okay, I can say I did it. I understand a little bit of HTML. And this few database, a tiny database that I did. I will show the website. Is this website that talk about fruits, the fruits that I most like. Have images and the header, everything. Okay, I will show a little bit of the sites and only a little bit. May I can make a specific video talking about one of these sites, each of these sites. Okay, have this part of the 10 best fruits that I don't have the images. I think it's a prototype of the site. Have this one improved. Have the difference of fruits. I don't know how to translate. and have this website in tables that show the nutritional table of the fruit. Have these indexes, this home that should transport you to other sites, to each site, but isn't working. I need to fix it. And this is the backbone of my website. Have my chess website, that is the best website that I made here. This website is good, talk about chess and is working. Okay, have the first page, the second page, talk about chess, talk about the chess players, the chess openings, and the home. Let's talk about chess. It's good. I did. I will post it in share in my LinkedIn. The sites that talk about the best product, the most producer, the biggest producers of peanuts. The biggest producer is China, after India, after the United States, the Nigeria, the Sudan, and the Argentina. The China produce 17 millions of tons per year. Is almost the entire production of the other countries' sum. The production of peanuts, the China's production of peanuts per year is greater than the other 5 most producers. I think it's similar, not? Okay, 10 million more to half, 14, 16, okay, is 400 millions less than the 5 others' sum. China produces almost the entire peanuts of the others 5 together. China produces almost the entire peanut supply. Have this website, have this one. That we have the bootstrap, the navbar, have the countries here, the China, India, countries, the home, have this 17 million, after India, and after the euro. China, India, euro, and have a phrase, a quote of Angelina Jolie. And the D is that I will change. I will let it. This is a site that I did. The cast members don't have a matter. Okay, and I have this website that talk about peanuts, and talk about the peanuts is a good food for the health, have good fats, and have the no more that it comes that bring you to one site that talk about the benefits of peanuts, but I'm without internet. Then it's the same thing, but have the Senegal that produces almost 1 billion of tons. No, almost 1 million of tons. Have the home, the countries, the peanuts, and the contact. And the other text here. Okay, this is what I did in 2 years of learning HTML and CSS. I should learn C# and a little bit of JavaScript, but this is what I did. Yes. Okay. And what I did in Squill. I created this teeny database. This database store, loja, and inserted some clients. And have the shirts in the very kinds of shirts. I have the shirts here. and have the others tables of insert shirts. Then what I learned in school in these 2 years, now I learned more, but in the 2 years of school was create a table, what I made, okay, what I made with what I learned is create this table, create this table client, and insert shirts. Okay, this is everything that I really did in these 2 years in high school, in Brazilian high school. I did other things, but in the aspect of coding, of learning code, this is what I did. Then isn't nothing, but isn't good. I should learn more. I confess that if I worked more hard, I would learn more, but I'm average plus in school that have people worse than me. I'm one of the I'm average plus. I'm not the best, but I'm not the worst. I'm above the average, I think. Yes. Above the average or in the average. In these 2 years now is different. In the past 2 years I was it, but now I'm different. But in these past 2 years I learned the it, this is what I did. I was above the average, something around it, not the best, not the worst, average plus, average, sometimes the max grade, but it is it. This needed to be better, I needed to improve my education and have projects to help to improve the education in Brazil also, because it's really bad, the Brazilian education. Then is it what I did? I could do more, but is it I need to understand my mistakes to do better in the future. I'm thinking projects to improve the Brazilian education and my own education and the education in my community. This can't continue in this way. I hope you like it. I will fix some mistakes, clean, make it more beautiful. Don't make more of what it is, only correct a few mistakes, make a few improvements, and share, and don't touch in it anymore, because this is what I did. I needed to do other things. Go to the next page. I hope you liked it. Thank you for your attention. Bye.